Kani Ghadc Patisi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasngi.
Menteri Rangba Kajela Dr. Mukul Sangma minta kasngi ka khandai tarik naitung ulong ka jingyo ban shimti jong kaseng Kongres ban yalam ya ke isi kadai na kadao jong kai jingya kini Pisa jong ki para MDC kibadon haka Executive Committee ka barim kepala lam kemat dak NPP ulong ka Kongres nadu pasdang kamshim lakwa bantau isi namarba ka sngoto kamdon brio ulong ru ba ka isi ka barim jong NPP GNC bat BJP kala Khyllem hi tang nakadaw ka Pisa kabawan naka special assistance jong ka sarkar pedeng parka Kongres kamdon kti ban pen Khyllem yaka.
See, one interesting thing I would like to corroborate in respect to this development is that, see, on the day one after the election to the Ghadc Hills Autonomous District Council, I have told all the MDCs from Congress after getting elected, don't form EC. Because the mandate is not for you. Mandate is not for our party. So we will not form the EC. It was very clear and frank, not just suggestion but the directive. Okay. So Congress, along with other friends who thought they should not be part of this other party, EC with the other party, stayed. So we allowed them. NPP and so-called GNC and all their like-minded BJP, because I wanted to tell to the world that they are partners of BJP all the time, which they used to tell the world that we are not partners. I wanted to prove. Okay, so I have proven. We have proven. The people have seen it. NPP, BJP, EC was met. NPP, GNC, BJP. And for the first time, they have also had this executive committee member drawn from the BJP. So it was seen by the people, which they always try to, defend with complete futility. Now, after that, what has happened? Probably they were fighting for money, After this huge assistance came as a part of the exercise that we had with the Ministry of Panchayati Raj, the records are there. How many times, based on the Chief Minister's letter and based on the meeting of officials, delegation of the state officers having met, the recommendation has gone to provide a special assistance to the district councils. Now, money is the root cause of all evil. When people cannot control their greed over money, then this is what happens. So this is what has happened. These people have fallen on their own because of their greed for power and money. We have not disturbed them. Okay.